Okay, children, this is a triangle given. Okay, so this is P, they said, this is PQ, they said, children, this is R, they said, and here there is a parallel line, I think, we'll see. This is S and this is T is given, children. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, they said, children. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, they only said, children. And NSQ is equal to MTR. NSQ. NSQ is equal to MTR, they said, children. No, they are congruent, white children. So here they have a little bit extended. Here also they have extended. Please see here. From here they are going like this. From here they are going like this. This is a question, children. So this is O. This meeting point is O, and this is M, and this is N, children. This is N. Okay. So this is the question. Required proof is where children and given what is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2 they gave, and they also said that NSQ triangle is congruent to MTR. NSQ is congruent to MTR. Then what is required to prove means we have to prove that PTS is similar to PRQ. PTS is similar to PRQ, and these both are given, children. So this is a question. Okay, children, chalo. Now how to do this question? I'm saying, children, 1 second. Yeah. My goodness. Yeah. See here, children. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, this side, children. First one, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And they are saying that NSQ, this triangle is congruent to MTR. They are saying they are congruent. We have to prove that PTS is similar to PRQ. That is the question. So see, children, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 means what, children? PS is equal to PT. Why? If base angles are equal, sides also equal. If base angles are equal, then sides also equal. This is one. Number two, children, seriously you see, if NSQ is congruent to MRT, NSQ, angle Q is equal to angle R. Angle Q is equal to angle R by CT. Angle Q is equal to angle R, children. Angle Q is equal to angle R, children. If angle Q is equal to angle R, try to understand, children, we can say that PQ is equal to PR. This is by CT, and this is if base angles are equal, sides are equal. No, this is first equation, this is second equation. Divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 and 2. If you divide 1 and 2, PS by PQ is equal to PT by PR. Okay, what is this, children? BPT.
Corollary.
By converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, by converse of BPT. Now what I can say, ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR. ST is parallel to QR. If ST is parallel to QR, angle 1 is equal to angle Q. Why, children? Angle 1 is equal to angle Q. Why?
Corresponding angle.
Corresponding angles. Angle 2 is equal to angle R. Why, children?
Corresponding.
Corresponding angle. By AA similarity, I can say PST is similar to PST is similar to PQR. Hence, prove. That's it. Hope you are able to understand, children. Those who did not understand, again I am saying, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, so PS is equal to PT. Angle Q is equal to angle R, so entire PQ is equal to PR. So this is equal to this by converse of BPT, ST became parallel to QR. If ST is parallel to QR, angle 1 and angle Q are equal corresponding angles, angle 2 and angle R are equal corresponding angles. As by AA similarity, PST is similar to PQR. That's all. PST is similar to PQR. That is in first sum. Second sum. Please see here, 32nd question. So 32nd question, they are saying that what is the value of tan square 60 plus tan square 45 plus 3 secant square 30 plus 5 cos square 90 by cosecant 30 plus secant 60 minus cos square 30. secant 60 minus cos square 30. This is a question. Cot square 30 children. Cosecant 30. Tan square 60 is how much children?
1 by root 3.
Root 3 whole square. Tan 45 is 1 square. Okay, this is secant square children. Secant square 30. Secant 30 is how much children? Secant 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 whole square. Cos 90 is how much children? Cos 90 is 0. 0 square. By cosecant 30, anyone of you know? 2. Secant 60, anyone of you know? 2. Cot 30, anyone of you know? Cot 30. 1 by
Root 3.
whole square. 1 by root 3 whole square. No. Root 3.
Root 3, sir.
Yeah, root 3.
So
Okay.
for the numerator, it's times 2 by root 3 square, which is 3 secant square.
What now? 3 secant square. 3 secant square 30. Okay, na? Yeah,
Yes,
3 secant square 30. Correct. Na? Everything is correct. Root 3 whole square is 3 plus 1 plus 3 into 4 by 3 plus 0 by 4 minus root cancel 3. This cancel. 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 0 by 1. So this is how much? 4 plus 4, 8 is your answer. 8 is your answer. Like that you should do, children. Okay, so trigonometric ratios you should remember, children. All the values you should remember, or else beginning of the exam only you should write the trigonometric table and you should keep it ready, children. You should never get confusion with any of the numbers. I'm sorry, children. 1 second. Next question. 33rd question, children. Please see here. The sum of two numbers is 15.
So your video turned off.
1 second. I don't know what is happening today. Yeah. The sum of two numbers is 15. The sum of two numbers is 15. Sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. What are the two numbers? This is the question. What are the two numbers? Grishma, can you tell this how to do?
Yes, sir.
LCM is AB.
AB, B plus A,
Okay.
3 by 10. So substitute that 15 by AB equals to 3 by 10. 150 by 150.
AB is equal to 50. AB is equal to 50 because AB is equal to 50. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What we'll do? B, what we'll write? 15 minus A.
Yeah.
Substitute
A,
here.
A into 15 minus A equals to 50.
Okay.
59 minus A square equals to 50.
Okay.
Minus A square plus
A square minus 15A
15
plus.
50 equals to 0.
Okay.
Split the middle terms.
Okay. I will split it.
Minus 10A minus 5A plus 50 equals to 0.
Okay.
A common A minus 10 minus 5 common A minus 10.
Okay.
A minus 5 and A minus 10.
Okay.
A equals to plus 10 or A equals to plus 5.
So if A is 10, what will be 5? If A is 5, what will be
10.
10. So two numbers are
5 and 10.
10 and 5 or 5 and 10. Anything is okay. No problem. Thank you. Very good. So like that you have to do, children. Next. Please keep copying, children, and practice. I am sorry, children. Something is happening today. Next question. So the next question is there like this. Same. 33rd only orbit, children. 33rd only orbit. 1 plus here. 33rd orbit, children. 1 plus m square n square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0 has equal roots. We have to prove that. C square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. This we have to. Okay. Who will tell this something? Who will tell? Anyone? So children, equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is 2mc whole square minus 4 into
1 plus m square into n square.
1 plus m square into n square into
c square minus a square.
c square minus a square is equal to 0. So children, how much it will become? 4m square c square minus 4m square into
1 plus m square into c square minus.
children. So what we'll do, children? We will take
4 com
4 will take common now here. Okay, let's take common 4
m
m
square
square c square minus n square into 1 into this is c
c
square.
square plus minus a square plus
Okay,
c, m square c square minus
okay.
m square a square.
Minus m square a square
This
is equal to
question.
0. Is equal to 0, children.
Open
Okay.
the brackets.
Now, wait, we'll open it. So first, let me
M
simplify.
square
This anyway, this 4 will become 0 because 0 by 4 is 0. No need to worry about that 4. That 4 will come below 0. Go, gotcha. Okay, minus. Now then,
n square c
square,
square
square.
plus a square n square
Okay,
minus m square c square n square
okay.
plus m square c square n square.
Square and square a square is equal to 0. Am I correct, children? So next, anything will get cancelled. Anything gets cancelled, children. M square c
Get
square.
cancelled.
Nothing is cancelling, children. M square, n square, a square, n square, c square, m square.
Sir, it is last one m square n square c square, sir.
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir.
M square, a square, n square. M square, a square, n square.
Sir, m square c square it's given now, sir.
Where? This is m square, c
Oh,
square.
okay, that's a square.
C square. 1 second, I'll check the question. 1 plus m square into n square 2mcx c square minus a square. I did correct on everything is correct. So 2mc whole square minus 4ac. So 4n square 1 plus m square c square minus a square. This is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This is also correct. Then how it went wrong? Because nothing is
Sir,
coming.
we should send a negative to that side so that we can take common.
Wait, according to the question, we'll try to do all c squares will come on. Will keep on one side. This we'll see. Let's see because something question is wrong. I am feeling, but anyway, let's see. Because in Arisha it was not there like this. And let us take a remaining which don't have c's right side. Which don't have c's. This is not having c's, and this is also not having c's. M square, n square, a square. Now in this and this, nothing is common, children, except a square. Children, what is the thing means? I'm suspecting some question is wrong, children. In this. Let me check that in 1 second. I'll check and show you because question is not like this in algebra. 1 second, I'll check, children. Be offline. And because question was something else. We did recently this sum also we did recently. Should have remember. Yeah, I got it. Children, 1 plus m square x square. Children, this he gave extra, children. This he gave extra. That's why it's not coming. This is he given extra. 1 plus m square x square, 2mcx, c square minus a square. Now it is correct, children. He gave this n square extra, children. That is wrong, actually. That went wrong. Everything wrong that went. Okay, let us remove this n square, children. If you remove this n square, everything will be alright, children. If you remove this n square, that's all. So let's do from here, children. I'm sorry because I have to recheck in addition again. 0 by 4 is 0. So m square c square minus c square
plus a square
plus a square
minus c square m square plus m square c square.
M square a square. Minus
Okay.
into minus plus m square a square. Okay. So what will do, children? Anything is common here?
So we'll again try all c's on one side, a's on one.
1 second. Means this is 2mc only, no? 2mcx. Yeah, those two 1 plus m square. Yeah. M square to 4 m square c square. Anything should be. This is cancelling. No one is saying this is cancelling. Now it will be c square you bring here, children. If you bring c square here, c square is equal to a square plus m square a square. So c square is equal to a square if you take common 1 plus m square. 1 plus m square, like that. Okay, children, so there was a mistake in the question. The n square should not be there, children. That went wrong, everything. Okay, but anyway, no problem, children. We got it correctly. Next question, children. Find a cubic polynomial, children. 34th question. Find a cubic polynomial with sum of its zeros as 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, for cubic polynomial. Sum of products of its zeros. Sum of products of its zeros. Sorry. Sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time as minus 7, and product of its zeros is minus 14. Product of its zeros is minus 14, and sum and product. Do you remember, children, this one? Sum and product is minus 7. Find the quadratic equation. Children, if ever you remember, I gave one big equation for this. Do you remember anyone? X cube start with minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square, after minus plus alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha x, after plus minus alpha beta gamma, like this, children. First minus, then plus, then minus. You have to remember the equation, children. This is sum of the roots, this is product of the roots, this is sum and product of the roots. This is sum of the roots, this is product of the roots, this is sum and product of the roots. How much they gave? X cube minus how much they gave? 2x square plus how much this they gave? Minus 7x. How much this they gave, children? Minus 14. So x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14 is the answer. Like this you have to do, children. Hope you are able to understand. Next question. So next question is construct a quadratic polynomial. This one is 34th orbit. Construct a quadratic polynomial, okay, whose zeros are 1 and minus 3. Alpha is 1, beta is minus 3. For quadratic polynomial, what is the formula again? And anyone of you remember?
X square minus alpha beta x into x plus alpha beta.
First minus, then plus. Minus plus minus. Second, minus plus minus. Alpha plus beta, alpha beta, children. X square minus alpha is 1, children. This is beta x plus 1 into minus 3. X square minus 2x minus 3, children. X square plus 2x minus 3, children. Okay, please try to see, children. Next, 35th question. 35th question. Srija, 36th question you will tell. The 19th term of AP is, Srija, is that?
Yes, sir.
19th term of AP is equal to 3 times the 6th term. 3 times the 6th term. Okay, 3 times the 6th term. 9th term is 19. 9th term is 19. 9th term is 19. Okay, find the AP. Can you tell how to do this? A19 how much, Amma? A6 is how much, children? A6. Okay, A6 is
A6 is
A
A plus
plus
5D. A plus 5D.
A9 is
A
A
plus
plus
8A. Equals to 19.
so A plus
18D is equals to 3A plus 10D.
15. Okay, this comes here. This A minus 3A is minus 2A. 15D minus 18D is minus 3D.
Minus cancel.
Okay, A is equal to
Equal to
3A
3D by
by
2.
2. A is equal to 3D by 2. Okay, so substitute here. What is the question you may ask? So what is the question? Sir, find the AP. That's all.
Find
Okay.
AP.
So instead of A, you put 3D by 2, children. So 3D by 2 plus 8D is equal to 19. 2 is the LCM, children. How much? 3D plus 16D is equal to 19. Okay, 19D is equal to 38. So how much you get, children? D is equal to 38 by 19, 2, children. And we know A is equal to 3D by 2, children. Put here A is equal to 2 to cancel, A is equal to 3. Now what is the AP, children? 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And
9.
so on. Like that. Next. 36th question. 36th question. See here, children, 36th question is like this. Okay. Question is find the mean 10 to 12. See here, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20. Find the mean they are asking, children. Find the mean 7, 12, 18, 13. 7, 12, 18, 13. Okay. Anyway, chances come. Let's do in both procedures our normal method and assumed mean method. Children. This is at 5. This is xi. What is xi children? 10 plus upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Class 1. xi is class 1, upper limit plus lower limit by 2.
11.
Okay.
22 by 2.
So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 by 2,
11.
11. 13,
13,
15.
15,
70.
fi xi will go children.
70.
7 11
7.
17. 13 2s are 26, 156. 15 8s are 120, 15 1s are 15, 27, 270. 13, 17 3s are 51, 17 1s are 70, 225. Okay, children, this is okay. Okay, so total is how much children? 13, 14, 8, 13, 20, 22. Okay, children, so 2 2 is 6, 7, 7, 24. This is sigma fi xi.
X,
And what is
No,
sigma
FI
fi
50.
children? Sigma fi
50.
50, yeah, sure.
Yes.
19% 50, 50. Okay, children, direct method I am doing first here. Sigma fi xi by sigma fi, that is 724 by 50. Okay, children, so 700 by 50 by 2 means by 2 by 2 if you do 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, 14 by 100 means 14.4.
44.
14.4. Okay, next one, children. Assumed mean method. In assumed method, we will first find out dA. dA means what? Xi minus A. What is Xi? Any middle value of A. Sorry. What is A? Assumed mean any middle value of Xi. What is A? Any middle value of Xi. What is assumed mean any middle value of Xi. We have only two
13 or
middle values.
15.
I will take 13. Okay. So 11 minus 13, how much, children? Minus 2. 13 minus 13, 0.
0.
15 minus 13,
2.
2.
17 minus 13,
4.
4.
4.
Now FIDA, let's mention that FIDA. 7 into minus 2, minus 14.
Minus 14.
12 into 0,
0.
0. 18 twos are 36. 13 fours are 52. 52 plus 36 is 88. Minus 14. 88 minus 14 is how much, children? 74. Now, what is the formula for assumed mean method, children? Assumed mean method? A plus sigma fi dA by sigma fi. A is how much, children? You are assumed mean 13 we took.
13.
Plus fi dA is how much, children?
74.
74.
By
Fi is
50.
how much? 50. So this by this if you do, children, into 2 into 2 if you do, for the 2 from the 14 by 100, 1.48. So 13 plus
1.48.
1.48. How much, children? 14.48. Compulsory they both should be same answers. That is rule. And step deviation method is also there, but it's deleted from this year, children. So I'm not telling. So this is direct method. This is assumed method. Assumed mean method. A means what, children? Any middle value of xi. A means what, children? Any middle value of xi. Either this or that you can take. Then you should do FIDA, 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 FIDA. You should be perfect with both the methods, children. They may ask any one method. Do in assume in method means you have to do in this method. Get ready, children. Okay. For any method. Step deviation is not there, OJs are not there, so you need to validate the lucky on the children. So they will be concentrating on finding it more, I think, this time. Yeah, children. So next question. Next question. Find the value of children question reads minus 1 to the power of n plus minus 1 to the power of 2n plus minus 1 to the power of 2n plus 1 plus minus 1 to the power of 4n plus 2, where n is the positive odd integer. Children, question is n is the positive odd integer. Any positive odd integer, please. Any positive odd integer. Children, positive odd integer, if this is odd, this minus 1 remains as minus 1. Okay. Again, I'm saying. Let me take some 3. 2 3s are 6, children. This is becoming 6. 2 3s are 6. If this is becoming even, I'm taking 3 children. Some positive order is 3. 2 3s are 6. This will become plus, children. This will become plus. And here 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 minus 1, children. And here 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, answer is 0. Any odd positive integer you should take and you should substitute and you should find the answer. Simple, children. One more question. It's the simplest question. In the quadratic equation, children, px square, try to understand px square minus 2 root 5 px plus 15 has equal roots. Find the value of p. Equal roots is same. What is the condition of equal roots? B square
B
minus
square
4 is,
minus 4ac is equal to 0.
what is b, children?
B is equal to 2 root 5p.
Minus also should be minus also.
Yes.
4 into
4
p
into p into 15 is equal to 0.
minus 2 whole square.
4
4
into
root 5 whole square.
5
5
p square. Minus 60p is equal to 0. 20p square minus 60p is equal to 0. 20p square common.
Okay, children, suppose 20p if I bring down,
P
then
minus
p
3
minus 3 is equal to 0, p is
P
equal to 3.
equal to 3.
Suppose p minus 3 I bring down.
P is
So
equal to
20p is equal to 0, p is equal
P is
to 0.
equal to 0.
So p can be 0 or p can be 3. If I bring this down, it is 0. If I bring this down, this is 3, children. Both procedures here are compulsory because it is a quadratic equation. Compulsory both procedures, both x's and both y. Okay, children, third question. Two tankers contain 850 liters. Children, one tanker contains 850 liters. Other tanker contains 680 liters of petrol. Find the maximum capacity of container which can measure the petrol of either tanker in exact number of times. You have to find out HCF and LCM. You have to find out HCF and LCM here, children. You have to take a maximum container which can measure both of them. So, which is a common factor? Yeah, which is a common factor? Is HCF. Okay, so HCF of this and this is 680. How much is it? 0, 7, 170. No, 170. 680. 4 is 680. So we have to take 170-liter container. 170-liter container, which will do 170 into 5 times, you will get this one. 170 into 6 liter.
4 times.
4 times. 4 times. 4 times this one. 170 container you take. 5 times if you dip, you can measure this one. 4 times if you dip, you can measure this one. Like that. Because 170 is the highest common factor. Like you should imagine and you should try to do children numerical. Children very easy something. Next question. Third only orbit. Children third only orbit. Find after how many places of decimal this will terminate. Children 27 by 2 cube into first one 54 into 3. After how many decimals it will terminate? First of all, let me know, is it terminating or not terminating?
Non-terminating.
Non-terminating because 3 is there. Everyone will say like that only, but
Sir, it can be divided, sir.
Yes, then no way you're not seeing, who is seeing? 3 3s are 9.
27 is 3 cube.
27. So this is
3 into 2
3 by 2 cube into 5 4 without simplifying.
into 2 into.
So all by seeing 3 they will say not terminating. No, children. 3 can be divided. No. So now you tell children how many
Into 2 into 2.
up to 2 down to children.
6
3
by
to the
10 to
6
the
by
power of 4.
2 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4, x by 10 to the power of 4, 6 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.0006. After how many points it is terminating? 4 points. After 4 points, 4 zeros are there, 4 points. After 4 points, it is terminating. Because 4 zeros are there, you should say after 4 points it will terminate. You should say after 4 points it will terminate. Okay, children? Next question. Check whether the pair of equation 5x minus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to minus 1 are consistent or inconsistent. Let's check, children. A1 by A2 is 5 by 1.
5 by 1
B1 by B2?
minus 1 by 1. 7 by minus 1.
First, let us check this both. 5 by 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1, 1. 5 and 1, are they equal, children?
No.
So A1 by A2 is not equal to
B1 by B2. Unique
Solution.
intersecting consistent.
Consistent.
Yes, it is consistent. You should write yes, it is consistent because A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Yes, it is consistent. You should write. Next question. If two positive integers A and B are written as x cube y square and xy cube, what is the HCF of A and B? x into x into x into y into y, x into y into y into y. What is the HCF?
xy square.
Xy, one x is common and two y's are common. So xy square is the HCF. One x is common, two y's are common. So xy square is the HCF. Okay, children, next question. Please see here. If the number of square centimeters on surface of sphere is equal to number of cubic centimeter in its volume, what is the diameter? Children, he's saying TSA of sphere is equal to volume of sphere. What is its radius? What is the TSA of sphere, children?
4 pi r square
4 pi
equals
What is the
to
volume of sphere?
4 by 3 pi r.
4 by 3 pi. 5 by cancel.
4
4
cancel r square
r square r.
So radius is equal to 3.
3
Diameter is equal to 6 centimeters.
centimeters.
Diameter is equal to 6 centimeters. Next question, children. Please, sixth one orbit is there. Please see here, children. Sixth one orbit is there. If the number of square, if two identical solid cubes of x, children, two solid cubes are there. This is also x. This is also x. Two solid cubes are joined. Then what is the TSA of resulting cuboid? What is the TSA of resulting cuboid? Children, two are joined. Children, two are joined.
Length will become 2x.
Length will become 2x. Breadth will be
Height
x
will
only.
remain same.
Height
Height
will
will
remain
also
same.
be
Because
x.
side by side they are joined, length only will change. Side by side they are joined, length only will change. What is the TSA,
2
children?
into LB
2
plus
into
Plus
LB
LB
plus.
plus BH plus H.
How much is that? 2 into
2 into
2x
2
x into x,
square
x into x, x
x
into
into
2x.
2x.
How much is that, children? 2 into.
2x square plus x square plus 2x square.
How much is that, children? 2 into
2 into 5x square, 10x square.
10x square unit square. 10x square unit square. So 10x square is the answer, right? If side by side you put them, the length will change, children. If back by back, if you add, breadth will change. If one above each other, if you put, height will change. If one above each other, you put, height will change. Okay, children. You have to analyze like that and you have to keep doing, children. Next question. Next question. See here, children. Please keep copying, children, and practice them after the class. In triangle ABC, D and E are the parallel lines, children. In triangle ABC, D and E are parallel lines. D and E are parallel. AD is equal to x. DB is equal to x minus 2. AE is equal to x plus 2. And EC is equal to x minus 1. What is the value of x? As they are parallel, apply BPT. As they are parallel, apply BPT.
BPT.
Tell me,
AD
baby, x by
x minus 2 is equal to x plus 2 by x minus 1.
this into
Cross
this.
multiplication x into x plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2. X square minus x.
A plus B to
A
A minus
plus
B.
b into a minus b. X square minus 2 4. X
This
square
constant.
x square cancel. Minus 1x is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 4.
Very, very. Okay, children. So seventh one orbit is there. So this is actually seventh question. Seventh question orbit is also there. The median of right triangle which are drawn from the vertices of acute angles are 5 centimeters. Find the hypotenuse. Children, do you remember yesterday we did this function? Yesterday we did this sum. He's saying this is 1 million and this is 1 million. Do you remember, children? Yesterday we did this sum.
Yes, sir.
He's saying AD is equal to 5. AD is equal to 5 and
3 root 5.
CE is equal to 2 root 10. Find AC is asking. Anyone of you remember what is the formula we got when we applied Pythagoras theorem for this, when we applied Pythagoras theorem for this, when we applied Pythagoras theorem for this? What we got, anyone?
4AB square something.
5AC square is equal to 5AC square is equal to 4 times of AD square plus CE square. Do you remember, children? Yesterday we got this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 5AC square is equal to 4 times of AD square is 5 square. CE square is how much, children? 2 root 10 whole square. Please take yesterday's derivation, children. I derived this and I showed also. So 5AC square is equal to 4 into 25 plus 2 to the 4, 4 times of 40. 5 AC square is equal to 4 into 65. Okay, children, this 5 will come down, children. AC square is equal to 4 into 65 by 5, 530. AC square is equal to 52. AC is equal to root 52. Okay, children. So some root 52 means 2 root 13 it will be, children. 2 root 13 centimeters. 2 root 13 centimeters, children. Okay. Yesterday I showed the derivation, children. I hope if ever you wrote the notes, it will be there, children. Please check, children. Please keep writing, that's right. Eighth question. Children, eighth question they are saying, a park is in the form of rectangle 120 meter length. A park is in the form of rectangle 120 meter length and 100 meter wide. At center there is a circular lawn. At center there is a circular lawn of radius root of 1050 meters. Question is, find the area of park excluding the lawn. What is the area of this park? What is the area of this park? Area of park excluding the lawn means area of rectangle minus area of
minus area
circle.
square.
Length into breadth
Length into
minus.
breadth minus 5r square.
So 120
120
into 100
into 100 minus
minus
22 by
7.
2 under root of 10 1050 whole square.
Okay.
12,000 minus 22 by 7 into 1050 7.
So 12,000 minus 52 is 30, 30, 33, 0. So 12,000 minus 33, 0, 0, 7, 11, 7,700. 7,700 meter square is the area of the park excluding the lawn. Okay, children. Ninth question. The length of the shadow of the pillar. This is the pillar, children. The length of the shadow. This is the shadow. Is root 3 times its height. Root 3 times. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? What is the angle of elevation of the sun? How much, children? Tan theta is equal to.
H by root 3 by
This one. Tan theta is equal to.
equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to tan 30. Theta is equal to.
Theta is equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is the angle of elevation of sun.
Sir,
No.
in the question it is 8700, sir.
This is 8700. No, 8700. Thank you. Okay, so children, this is something like this, children. Let me read the question. Think here is a square, children, of 28 meters everywhere. This is a square of 28 meters everywhere. And here there is a semicircle, and here there is a semicircle. Two semicircular water covered ponds are there. Two semicircular ponds are there in this arc or water. Okay, opposite. How much area is left uncovered? How much area is left uncovered?
Area of square minus area of circle.
Area of unshaded region is equal to area of square minus
Area of circle.
area of circle. Area of square is
28
square.
square.
So
28 square minus 22 by 7 into 14 into 14.
14 into 14. Okay, children, this is 28 square, children. Anyone? Let's check. Okay, 14 to the 28 into 22. So 28 I will take common, children. So 28 minus 22. So 28 into 6, children. 6 is 48, 6 to the 12, 168 meters square is the area of unshaded region, which is not having water in it. Okay, children. Okay, children. Next one. So children, remaining questions will do tomorrow. I told till 7:45 tomorrow. Thank you so much.